Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Koima Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. We've got a big down day on a Thursday here, May 21. Limit down on the feeders, 595 lower on the fats. Pretty big kick in the shorts here. And we've got some technicals that are really looking rough. We're breaking some trend lines. We've got some head and shoulders formation, kind of talk. So there's some support being broken. So that's what you need to know on the technicals. Looking a little bit scary, hairy, I guess, whatever word you want to use. This week we've seen some funds just liquidating, just getting out of contracts and not coming back into the market, not rolling back to a different month. It's just straight picking up your ball and going home. That's what it kind of looks like. So not the kind of action you want to see when you got a market that's this jittery up near highs. I mean, this is having another feeling like it's over. Like, hey, this could be a very significant break. Live cattle cash, they've come in and bought a few now at 260 for a month out. So Packers still going to extend that as far out as they can. Just get inventory around them. We'll see if they pick it up. We've got a cattle on feed report coming on Friday, and it's going to show bigger placements. We're comparing to a year ago, smaller numbers, the year ago. So it's probably going to show up a pretty sizable placement number, in my opinion. We had some drought cattle moving early. We've figured out some other avenues since the Mexican border has been closed, and we're comparing to a month that the border was closed. So penciling in some negative, side of that trade there. Other than that, we've got Fort Morgan talk continued, just the uncertainty around that. It's been 4 weeks now that plant's been closed. And there's that thought that maybe they just permanently close it. These Packers have been losing so much money, and that could happen. Don't know. There isn't any definite news out there on that, but I think that whole saga is just also thrown into the mix. So questions, call us. Koima Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. Risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.